You can put it on.
Put this on.
What piece is that?
Alabama.
That's right.
No, that's Alabama.
Oh, so what's the other one?
Alabama.
Can you show Mama where Georgia is? That's right. Okay, now what's...
Florida.
That's right.
Texas, California.
Who lives in California?
Daddy.
And?
Tyler.
And?
Mama.
And?
Joe.
And?
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
Yep, you're right.
And then.
You're right. Now what do you have?
Baby. South Dakota. No, Dakota. No, Dakota.
That's right.
No, Dakota. No, this is Dakota.
That's North Dakota, that's right. What one's that?
South Dakota.
Very good. It's okay, just relax.
I can put North and South Dakota.
Put it back where you had it. You had it right.
No! It was Minnesota.
I don't know, you can find it.
I don't know where it is. Right here.
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What one's that?
South North Dakota.
Very good, and
South Dakota.
good.
I can't take...
Tyler, don't get mad.
No.
Don't get mad, just do it. And relax. It's just a puzzle.
That?
What is that one?
I don't know.
Let Mama see.
Huh?
Is that Montana?
Yes. Whoa. Wait, did.
What state is that?
I don't know.
Idaho.
Idaho. No, this. No, this is Idaho.
What is?
This is Idaho.
Give me a smile. Please.
New Jersey.
Mm-hmm.
Like it. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that's. No. These please says right there. I want to do Minnesota.
So do Minnesota then. Relax.
No.
Yes.
No.
Well then hush.
No and no and no and no.
What state is that? Do you know? Maine.
Maine, New York, Pennsylvania, know what is that one? Know what that piece is. I don't know. New Hampshire and Vermont.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Nebraska.
Very good.
Kansas.
Very good. Who lives in Kansas?
The Wizard of Oz.
And
Oh God.
Dorothy.
No. Who lives in the Wizard? Who lives in Kansas?
Dorothy, honey, from the Wizard of Oz.
What is that? Oklahoma.
Very good.
What was Mama born in?
Utah.
Here's Utah.
Very good.
This is a car, and this is a mountain, and that's a little mountain, and a bigger mountain.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? What is that? Car.
Uh-huh.
This is a bear. What is that? Huh?
What state is that? Do you know?
I don't know.
That one's Alaska. Can you say that?
Hawaii. When I get back, I'll go Hawaii.
Hawaii? Yeah.
That's the ocean.
Uh-huh.
What is that?
What does it look like?
A car. What is that?
I don't know. What does it look like?
I don't know.
Well, should bring it to Mom. I can't see.
I can't.
What state is that?
I don't know.
Michigan.
Michigan. What is that?
Do you know what state that is? What is that?
I don't know.
You want Mama to help you?
Utah.
Where's Utah? You got it in there?
Utah.
That's right. Okay, what states do you have left? You have 2 more left.
Nevada and Washington.
Very good.
What is that? Nevada.
Uh-huh.
Washington.
What does Washington have on it?
Apple.
Yep. Are you done?
Yes.
Good job. Yay. Proud of you.